The Bucks, the Rickies, the Collinses, and the Fizzes all differ from the Highball in that they contain citrus juice, whereas a Highball does not. It is easier, however, to distinguish them from the Highball than it is to distinguish them from one another. The original Buck was the Gin Buck, a favorite of the Prohibition era, and it was made with ginger ale. So that's the thing we're doing right now. We're doing a Gin Buck. Welcome. Wow. Wow. This is a loud motorcycle. Super cool. Anyway, Gin Buck. So we start off by cutting a large lemon into quarters and squeeze 1/4 into a highball glass, dropping the lemon in with the juice. Also, like, side note, take the sticker off. I almost threw a full lemon in here with a sticker on it. That's probably not cool. You want to drink sticker. You don't know where that sticker's been. Next up, add 2 or 3 ice cubes and 3 ounces of gin. And these jiggers are 1.5 ounces, so we'll just do 2 of these, I guess. Then, fill the glass with ginger ale and stir. Some recipes call for half a lime in place of the 1/4 lemon. Ginger ale. Give this a quick stir with your fancy utensil that you cut your lemon with, probably. That's what I'm doing, because I'm cool. Waste not, want not. It's called a Gin Buck. It's very much like a Moscow Mule. The ginger ale went right up your nose. Recovery, folks.
Still like...
It's like all the fizz. Yeah, the...
Oh, it tastes really good. This is a spicy ginger ale. Cock and Bull's really good, though. That's good. It kind of tastes like a Moscow Mule.
Yeah, I mean, a Moscow Mule is basically the same thing, but with, like, definitely lime juice and, you know, vodka, but otherwise very similar. I'm going to add more ice because this ginger ale was not cold, but it is very tasty. Highly recommended. For sure. Very refreshing. Like and subscribe. Do the things. There's a button. Nope, I think it's over here. Maybe, I don't know. It's one of these. That area. Good luck.
Thank you.